This is for Elise bar 62. I'm going to show you really slowly how to play it hands together. So low A, you're bouncing these. If your fingers get stuck, you can rotate the fingers. So do 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. It just stops them from getting a bit pokey, okay? So we do 6 of those with the first chord. Then 4 with the next chord. Then 2 more with the next 2. I'm going to do all of that but without talking. Now your left hand changes here, so you add a 5 on D at the bottom, so you're doing D and A. And then it creeps up to D sharp and A. Then you have 4 on E and A. Then 2 onto the middle black for 2. And then low A and carry on bouncing. So I'm going to show you that bit hands together now. We've got the 6ths in the right hand. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, down, down, left changes for 4, play that chord again. Now we've got E and A in the left. Okay, I'm going to do all of that bit again slowly without talking.